How to play Mortal Kombat 11 with controller PS5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Mortal Kombat 11 with a PS5 controller. To use your PS5 DualSense controller with Mortal Kombat 11, connect it to your PC or console using either a USB-C or Bluetooth. On PS5, the controller works immediately with native support. Just launch the game and start playing. The console handles all the configuration including button mapping and vibration feedback. For PC, you'll need to connect it via USB-C for the most stable experience. If you prefer wireless, hold the PS and create buttons until the light bar flashes. Then pair it via your PC's Bluetooth settings. On your Steam, enable PlayStation configuration support in big picture mode. This ensures Mortal Kombat 11 properly interprets the DualSense input, allowing you to customize your layout and sensitivity. While the PS5 controller's adaptive triggers and haptics aren't fully supported in the Mortal Kombat 11, the standard rumble and analog precision remain functional. And that's how you play Mortal Kombat 11 with a PS5 controller.